Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There are no laws regarding frame height, body lift height or bumper height. In California, body lifts are limited to a maximum of 5 inches. Aftermarket wheels, tires, bumpers and grille guards are allowed.
Take our lead.
With a professional, you might spend between $800 to $4,000. Buying and installing a lift kit might cost between $400 to $4,000 if you do it yourself. If getting it done from an expert, the price can range between $800 to $12,000.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Buying a lifted truck is much easier than trying to install a lift kit yourself, even if it is more expensive. Buying a lifted truck from a dealership can be a smart choice, because the truck will be carefully inspected and there's less risk of getting a truck with problems from a private seller.
Let's help you make your mark.
For those of you out there that are running bigger than a 2-inch lift, your vehicle is illegal. If you have bigger tires than standard and a 2-inch lift, or bigger, your vehicle is also illegal. The only way this does not apply is if it has been signed off by an engineer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.